Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Sisi here or Wambo. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm great too, guys. And guys, I want to tell you that I've been fighting with the cold. You can see even on my lips like it's swollen. It's because I had a very bad cold like inside in my body, but for now I'm doing better. So guys, today we are going to make breakfast. I'm going to show you what I'm taking today for breakfast, so stay tuned. Here guys, I have my bone soup I had made earlier, and now I'm warming and it's hot now, so I'll show you what I want to do next. So guys, my soup is hot now, and I want to cook my egg. I normally use butter to cook my egg, and I'll be able to show you how I'll take my breakfast. So my butter is hot, so now I'll add my egg. And so guys, I'll add my salt. I'll reduce the fire a bit. I'll add my salt. And I will be able to add my black pepper, tropical heat. It's really nice when you put on your egg. And I will turn it over because I love well done egg. I'll add black pepper again. So my egg is ready. And so guys, I'll be able to warm my food that was left over last night. so that I can be able to have it. I don't want it to spoil. That was broccoli and potatoes. So I leave it to get warm, and then I'll show you how I'll serve my breakfasts. So guys, my stew is warm and I will be able to serve it. And I have a banana with me. So this is how, guys, and I wanted to tell you one thing. I got this one, stinging nettle, at Quickmart, and I was so happy because this stinging nettle, if you have muscle pain, if you have arthritis, if you have anemic, it's very good for you. So you can be able to get it at Quickmart. Actually, Quickmart, they have a lot of spices that you can get in any nutrition shop. Even black seeds you can get at Quickmart. So I just wanted to inform you guys, it's really, really nice one. So this is how I have served my breakfast. I will show you. And so guys, I'm ready to have my breakfast. As I was telling you before, I love these breads. I normally get it at Quickmart. So I'll have one bread. And this is my breakfast for today. And before I have my breakfast, I have to say a word of prayer. So after my prayers, I'll be able to have my breakfast. Wow, the soup is so nice. And I will start with my egg because my egg is getting cold. Normally, I don't love a fried egg. I love when it's boiled, but sometimes I change it. So I just woke up and decided to show you how I'll make my breakfast today. The egg that I'm eating, we call in Swahili mayai ya kienyeji. So you don't have to take a lot of mayai ya kienyeji. You just take maximum 2. The egg is so nice. Try to add black pepper in your egg and you will love it. The soup is still hot. Wow, the soup is so tasty with the bread. And so this is how, guys, you can be able to take a healthy breakfast at home instead all the time having mandazis. So as I told you before, this is tree tomato fruit. Sometimes if you don't check the ripe one, they're a bit sour. But when they are ripe, they are very, very sweet. I want to say thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, share, like to support my video. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.